Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stifel Fast Access step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Stifel's website. Press enter to navigate to the home page. Locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. Once you've confirmed your information, click the Submit or Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Stifel account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Click on these links to retrieve or reset your information as needed. Follow the prompts provided to regain access to your account. Once logged in, explore your account features and tools available to you. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if prompted. That's it, you're now logged into your Stifel account for fast access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.